Hello all, welcome back to another episode of ChatGPT tips and tricks. Today I want to talk about ChatGPT extension of Google. Generally we dependent on Google search in internet. Now we are using ChatGPT. What if both of them available side by side within the same place? These two powerful tools, each with their unique strengths, would complement each other and provide users with an unpretended level of information and assistance. We know that Google search has been the go-to tool for quickly finding information on the internet. Another hand, ChatGPT offers a more personalized and human-like experience. Also, ChatGPT can provide detailed explanation, context, making it ideal for complex inquiries, brainstorming ideas. So having both Google search and ChatGPT available simultaneously means user would have the best of the both the worlds. Okay, let's see that experience how the Google search and ChatGPT works side by side. First, you can uh, add the extension to the Google Chrome. You can search with the ChatGPT for Google. Once you search, you will get this extension over here. uh, Once you got the extension, you can add to your Chrome browser. I already added, so I don't need to add again. I would like to try Google search over here now. So I wanted to try this story problem. Rama has 3 apples and his friend Geeta gives her 2 more apples. How many apples Rama have now? This is typical second class story math problem. And as usual, Google crawled overall internet and populated the relevant information over here. Same time, ChatGPT also pulled some information from language model and displaying the 5 apples. Of course, my intention is not with the actual search request. I wanted to show both Google and ChatGPT and how helping together in the one place. So this is good. It is displayed properly. And let's try one more example. I wanted to have review for RRR movie. Okay. Um, as usual, Google pull the information overall in the web, and same time ChatGPT also displayed some information, but it is not about review. If you observe here, so as a language model, I don't have access to real-time data, and my knowledge only goes up until September 2021 because I'm using the free version of the ChatGPT and it doesn't have that recent information. ChatGPT has a limitation until September 2021, whereas RRR movie released sometime in the 2022. So that's where the information, proper information is not able to populate over here from the ChatGPT, but still it has given some history about around the RRR movie. So the information over here, the outcome over here is users can seamlessly access its AI capabilities while browsing the web. This extension enhances the browsing experiences by enabling users to quickly get specific answers, explanation, or engaging an interactive conversation with the ChatGPT, all within the context of their web browser. This is the power of using both browsers, Google search, as well as the ChatGPT extension. Get the power. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.